It's too steep. Let's try. Look at that. Look at that. Just go like the photo. Go straight up. Look at that. This is like the perfect angle for Redcat, man. Look at that steep, man. It's fun. How are we gonna get it? Wow, there may be hell over there. Be careful. Maybe a bit steep down over there. Oh, careful, 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 careful. I know. Hold it. You want me to go grab it? This way.
This way. Where are you going? That's dangerous, eh?
A little bit. Oh man, subhanallah. This is like the steepest thing we ever climbed. Alright, so for straight climbing, that little dumb Axial is not that bad.
So look, we go either go that way or that way.
We'll go up this way. Let's go follow. Go back. Careful, yeah, high speed. Slow speed. Hey, oh! So it's way too quick.
Swing?
Yeah.
And then come back first.
Yeah. Should be not yours. Crawling. Crawling is where Axial sucks.
Climbing. Looks like it's okay.
Because it's straight climbing, I guess even cheap cars could do that. There we go. No, I don't think you make it. You're gonna fall again. Look at that, look at that, right?
Is there a gap over there?
Oh, man. Straight, keep it straight, keep it straight. Cool, cool, keep going. You got it. You got it. Yeah, yeah, follow it, follow it. And there's our camera. We gotta go here, wait, hopefully they can catch us.
Hopefully still.
And we gotta be on this side. So both gets it. Careful, don't do like that. It's gonna fall, you're gonna break. You gotta turn like that, yeah. Look, my how the Redcat has much more articulation, that's the thing. Careful, careful. Go, go, go. Yeah, slow. And turn. Yeah, up as soon as you can. Go.
Oh, there's a good picture right here.
Right, and take it. Go up more. Now you can't really go over this.
Careful.
Let me make the way. It could come through like that.
Nah.
Yeah, it could come like this.
Like this way,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
way, that
like
way,
this.
right?
Yeah, like that. But see, there's like a ditch. See how the wheel is turning? The Redcat is just climbing it up.
Oh,
Oh, see, there we go again.
on a ditch.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. If you put more speed, you know it's gonna go down. There we are.
Oh, we got it, look.
You got it. Wow. It's good, it's good, it's good. Go, go, go. I still didn't touch it. Recall this. Yeah. So I'm gonna still go up. Alright, let's go.
Where are you going to go? You can't go that way? Maybe that way. You want to do it this way?
Yeah. Yeah, all of this. It's like a lake.
Oh, so that's what they meant.
Going back.
Okay.
There's a guy right They can't do it, man.
No?
So Axial is officially out.
Mom, I made it!
Alright, I got it, man.